I think the really tremendous thing that's happened with remote working, forcing a remote working, if you will, is that people get a taste of autonomy and what they can do with their time. Now, that means the people in the organizations that are saying, okay, I want you at your desk 9 to 5, have no idea how productivity works. It doesn't work 9 to 5. It works in 90-minute sprints. It works in the rhythm of the day, but it does not work 9 to 5. So some of these beliefs need to go. Some of those rigid ideas about how work gets done need to go, so that the autonomy that people are experiencing now can continue. Because can you imagine having a taste of autonomy? Just as you said, I've got time with my child, and does that mean at the end of this I go back to not having that time? Even in education now, they're starting to put more courses online, and the kids are going, great, I don't have to spend this time commuting. I'm not contributing to the damaging of the environment, as one of my students said yesterday, because I do that just for fun. So they're seeing the value of doing things differently, thinking differently, leading differently. And man, that's a massive opportunity in front of us. So once we've had that experience, I don't think there's any going back.